Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. So for today's video ay magluto tayo ng stir-fry cabbage with pork sausage. So meron tayong cabbage dito. Mag-chop tayo. And then paghiwa-hiwalayan and then huhugasan natin. Then, meron din tayong carrots para maging colorful. So, dadagdagan natin ng carrots. Slice lang natin. Then, meron din tayong red and yellow bell pepper. Then, mag-chop din tayo ng onion for fry. Then, mag-prepare tayo ng pork sausage. So, i-chop lang natin, then huhugasan and then i-steam bago natin i-cut. So, meron din tayong 1 slice ginger. Ayan lahat ng mga ingredients natin. So, gawa din tayo ng mixture sauce. So, light sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, and sugar. So, ayan guys, na steam na yung pork sausage. So, ikakat natin. So let's start to cook. So ipa-fry lang natin lahat. And then saka natin ilagay yung mga vegetables and mixture seasoning. And that's it. So, ayan, naluto na. So, ilagay na natin sa plate. And thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. Please like and subscribe.